Mbia mano sana umwancho muri betaseni kia Ndizi TV na wasemeria kwane mnakwabere kugutwara obuliriria obya nande ne biro binde ngo kwaligania asemesa ya mangana maya elinde ngo manye nare yabereka gukorekana kurwa chingongo chensi inye chense asichense mo chiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyora wetra Ndizi TV News Digital na bega sensemo ya YouTube na bagotonyora wetra Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonyora wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke chinga kitoroche ase county ya Nyamira ase kenyoro gya Nyamakoroto ase omoichano ogendete ko baschinsemecho magiga yemebere ya mateyemo gotoka ase chinsemecho na boigo ase county ya Nyamira boigo ase ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba nigo ogosiorigo kwabagoko enekigwa ase umurubiri bokwena na chibaseri unenchereyemo yogosira abarokigwa chinga kibagendete kwenyorera n'ekisemi cyabo nabigo ase county ya Kisii unenchereyemo yokwene kibuna abalimingo kibale kwenyorera ligesali bwendete ase amatuko abosyo eserikali county ya Kisii bakobwatana n'ababwatani bande nigo bayimukiri egetambukiro nabigo korwa obasemia ase nsemeri ya ATC nabigo engana ya LGBTQ nigegendete koleta liberera mono ase ababwatani korwa ase chikanisa beso kiribene nabigo kobeka a petition ase ogotuguterare ogochikagwe kigambero ase babete bakuru gochikabuna abali bagusanga gose abanchani ase abasacha nabiga basubati asabasabati babe bakwelikia ase ebyombe nabigo ase nsemeri ya Kilifi nigo umurakera ogendeta kwenikiwa ase abamenye bensemeri babiri bakoegwa obokonyi bwendagera chingaki enchara egendete wenekigwa ase ensemeli mwancho muri karansa oike elinde ngomanye ase enchara iyo wingi letariane Fridah Kerubo na chinsemo chibyorokeryo nigotokubwatenere Joshua Auta to basakanyegera koirana ndasege kege kerebosio elinde ngomanye amange Ingo chaka kigima mwancho muliriria nigo chakira county ya Nyamira ase ngukomanyubuna nigole omoichano monene ase ekinyoro gya Nyamakoroto imeya sungututa egotoka ase ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba county ya Nyamira magiga yemebere ya mateyemo gotoka ase enka yabo Edward Murema w'emyaka 50 nomo ni 3 ni naboigo Grace Murema oiwe myaka 50 nomo nigo batokekanete babwate chinkoma chintindi kwaneke yo nomo deputy commander Robert Ndamiri ase anekibuna nigo obotukibwa chakirebene ase okolingo ligwa ningikerete baberabo gosiria obugima bwabo ase nchira yobotutukano kolende nigo abakoli emirimo bomucyo yo baba kubikwa byara ase chingaki obotuki bagendete gokorekana
kwa kichwa na deep cut kwa kichwa na mwanzo walifungwa mikono. Inaonekana hao wauaji walikuja wakawateka nyara kwanza wakawafunga mikono na baadaye wakafunga mdomo ndio wasipige duru na kuwakata.
Omorobelio bokwenekia chibasari ase ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba county ya Nyamira nigo osioligo bene litko liarero gukwana Clive Gesairo nigo ayenekibuna eyonenchira yamo yogosira abarokiwa ase chiskuru che secondary chi college na boigo chi university chinga kibagendete kwenyorera chisemi chiabo
81 10,881 will be given to Form 3 students of Kitutu Masaba. Form 4 watoto 3,984 3,984 hiyo ni milioni 11,952 11,952,000 inaenda kwa Form 4. Watoto wa secondary Form 3 and 4 kila mtoto nimempa shilingi 3,000. Every child gets 3,000 shillings. Kwa hivyo secondary, tumesema university and colleges have gotten 29,198,000. Milioni 29,198 for university and colleges. For secondary school, wamepata milioni 22,833. 22,833,000. So you can see, kwa hii secondary 22,800,000 in total, but yenye mebaki hapa ni 12 million. Aba iboli mutagotia kwira banale letangega.
Unenchereyemo yokwenekibuna abalimingo chibali kwenyorera ligesa libwenerete ase amatuko abosio nigo eserikali ye county ya Kisii bakobwatirana n'ababwatani bande bayimukiri egetambukiro nabo igo gwasemia abalimigo kwana omo county director bw'obulimi litukolya lero asensemeli ya ATC nigo abagakwenekibuna enyencho neroro yokolengi liroba maiga yogosimeka ase okumanya naki ebirengo bichumbi bire ase liroba ilyokoenekibuna ngosimeka bale embegu ebwenete nabo igo gotumika obwoyo bobwenerete
iraba lyeito yaganiri toliranie ibe nobotobu bwisaine oranyare koreta ligesa ekyo tonyore ndake bwisaine abantu baito barie bakore ligesa basobore banyore chigasi kwase bore ande boigo adio mono baramanya ngambo bagotimase iraba lyeito ane kegwango kyo boye bagotimase Gotu abasakira abalimi tuchange kacha banyara bakasomye oro mwana kitokora togotimarira bagito manye obongo bwechumbi naende tumanye na mboyo kiturabe togotumia wate karangarira bagito makiriganeti omoroberi togochiko chaka gochakera rero no je gochiko pimera abalimi ege toko kanga soil testing alamono togochikora mechu topime na oboyo kira bagito oboyo kigoganeti kobwatena na tore na Kisii County Government kobwatena nere Kenya Crop and Dairy Market Systems yo eshirika konore mtokibia yeko ase serikali
engana ya LGBTQ nigo egendrete koleta liberera asenseito ya Kenya gukwana omubunge Mohamed Ali nigatebire mauncherelitayo arabeka gokorekana ase oguncherelia oguchika kwa Nyasaye boigo nigo abaraikurastikanisa baba gokora etaro yabo gocha ase ebunge na boigo gosanga no munogeri webunge enene Moses Wetangula ase baba bakoragwa na Bishop Elizabeth asebane kibuna mbatenenere oboene ase okorwania enganeyo.
Msimamo wetu utasalia vile iko.
Asante mheshimiwa.
Hatuwezi shindana na Mwenyezi Mungu katika kutunga sheria. Kwa hivyo sisi hatutafuata sheria ya wazungu. Tutafuata sheria ya Mwenyezi Mungu. Na tumewaambia mkitaka mkae na mali yenu, visa yenu, lakini hii hamuwezi badilisha. Hata kwa bunge niliwaambia huwezi badilisha herufi katika Biblia, wala full stop, wala koma, wala sentensi. Katiba tunaweza amend, lakini hii ya Mwenyezi Mungu muruke juu muende chini, hatubadilishi.
And we came here at Parliament to meet Honorable Peter Karuma, who received us, and we also went to see Honorable Speaker Wetangula, who gave us actually attention. And also we had a document of signed petition of clergy in unity to say no to LGBTQ. And we have had very good time together with Honorable Peter Karuma, who is actually spearheading this. And we are here to give him our signed petition by clergy organizations who came together to say no to LGBTQ. Yes. As they actually moved the motion on 27th, we opted to come and give him his copy, our signed copies of also all the clergy organizations that said no to LGBTQ with this team. We had CCAK also and Beura, but they happened to have left, but we met with them with the Honorable Speaker Wetangula. And we are here in support of you because you are one person who have been standing firmly against this LGBTQ.
Tinga kicho boigo nigo baba koenana petition yabo gochia ase Peter Kalume iliogutuguterale ogochika wikigambero okwana Kalume nigo aine kibuna bachikobeka emerobelio ase okoruania enganeyo na boigo koene kibuna chifamiri ngogendera chire boigo nigo abaga koene kibuna lichiko ndichikobali wetigwa ase okoruanirera abana na boigo koene kichifamiri ngogendera chire ase okobatanga korua chimbwa chimbe.
The clergy organizations unity has presented their petition against both the Supreme Court determination and for the bill to be legislated. The bill now is not just against homosexuality, but it is a bill to protect the family institution with all that goes with it. The children, the parents, and the Kenyan society. The bill is at advanced stage. We are going to incorporate everything contained in the memorandum by our clergy. We are going to read through even the proposal in terms of what should go into the provisions. And I want to assure the church in Kenya, more so the clergy organizations unity, that everything they have proposed will be taken on board. I want also to thank the clergy organizations in Kenya for the support they have given me and the institution of Parliament ever since the Supreme Court made this determination, which is taking back the family, which is taking back from our religion, which is actually out to destroy the institutions of marriage and family created by God.
Chingaki embura egendete gutua ase chinsemo Amayia Kenya nigo abalimi bagendete kwaligania emigondo yabo ase ngencho yelismeka litkolia rero ase nsemo ya Nyahururu nigo abalimi kurwa senseme yo baba kwenyorera oboyo ase bairane limbyo mono gochia ase serikali ase okobainyora.
Tulikuwa na hofu sana ya kwamba tunasikia kule kwingine fertilizer iko, na najua kwamba tumetoa sauti kubwa, na asanti kwa Deputy President kwa sababu tuliongea naye Saturday na rais wetu tukaongea naye last week juu ya hii fertilizer, na leo hii tunaona fertilizer iko hapa, ilikuja over the weekend. Na kwa hivyo wakulima wako hapa na saa hii wamepata message, na sasa ndio wamekuja hapa kufanya kitu inaitwa redemption, walidim, na ndio kutoka hapo wapage line wapate fertilizer.
Tunataka fertilizer ambayo tumekujia siku ya leo ipelekwe mashinani, pahali mtu alijiandikisha ashikue fertilizer huko. Mzigo ni kubwa, mvua ndio ile imenyesha na wengine wameanza kupanda hata bila fertilizer. Kwa hivyo tunaomba sana fertilizer ipelekwe mashinani, pahali mtu alijiandikisha apelekwe fertilizer huko. Hiyo itakuwa imetusaidia zaidi.
Tunashukuru, tumesema ni asante kwa kufikiria mambo hiyo nzuri, na tukashukuru ni Mungu kutupatia mvua. Kwa hivyo kutoka wengine walitoka bali kuja kuchukua fertilizer. Tunashukuru kwa hiyo.
Serikali nigo yaburirwe kuwaga chachi skuru chia monchirilo unenchere ya moyo gusira abasaye abo babire bagweso ya namangana yobotumiki webinyegwa na boigo amaliogo yogotindia okwana omobunge okanduyi John Makali nigo aburire serikali gotwara emerobele yokoroba semia gochia ase abasaye igoro yobobe bugotumika amaliogo yogotindia ase abaga kwa enekibuna nigo ekegolie kege I
rise to give notice of the following motion, that aware that according to the National Protocol for Treatment of Substance Use Disorders in Kenya by the Ministry of Health, drug abuse has been increasing in Kenya, especially among the youth, with statistics indicating that more than half of the drug users are aged between 10 and 19 years. Further aware that research released by the National Authority for the Campaign Against Drug Abuse, NACADA, in December 2022, placed Western region as the leading region in alcohol and substance abuse at 23.8%, followed by the Coast region at 13.9%, and the Central region at 11.9%. Recognizing that the high level of drug abuse in Western region is attributable to illegal entry points from neighboring countries and unlicensed establishments, especially in Bungoma and Gusii counties, with statistics indicating that 2 out of every 5 establishments in Bungoma operate illegally. Further recognizing that a majority of the consumers of illegal substances are school-going children who end up dropping out of school, cognizant of the fact that the Alcoholic Drinks Control Act 2010 established Alcoholic Drinks Control Fund, whose purpose is to, among other things, facilitate the dissemination of information on alcoholic drinks and promote rehabilitation programs in the country. This House urges the government to institute intensive programs for the dissemination of information on alcohol and substance abuse in line with the Alcoholic Drinks Control Act 20.
Enchara nigo gendete kwenekigwa ase chinsemo chiria omurakera obeire go kwenekigwa ase nsemo ya Kilifi nigo abamenyi benseme yo baba konyora obokonyi bwendagera ase serikali ya boligwe kubeka emirobili ya bene asoko enekibunango kora bali emichando buneyo.
Hii yetu ina shida, maji hatuna, chakula hatuna, watoto shule hawezi kwenda shule, wanakaa nyumbani hatuna kitu, wenyewe tunakufa na njaa.
Tulipanda yakakosa mvua, sasa yalipokosa mvua imekuwa mahangaiko makubwa, chakula hakuna, watoto ni waende shule, hiyo nayo imekuwa ni changamoto kwetu.
Hii chakula ya msaada haiwezi toshia kila mtu. Hiyo ndio sababu kwamba hatuwezi kutegemea msaada, na sasa hii wananchi hata kila mara wanauliza chief, hii chakula itakuja lini? Because ile last time tulipata chakula ni last December, ile ya msaada wa serikali. Na kuanzia hapo mpaka sasa hatujapata. So hali ni ngumu kabisa, wananchi wameingilia kazi ya kuchoma makaa si kwa kupenda kwao, because hawana shughuli nyingine ya kuweza kuwafanyia wapate mapato.
Manche muligereria korwa sorbo tioroni onaikire omwelio bwa mangana maya asebire biga kulende ngo sabato basa guskato basa konyegera chikoraga Chinsa 10 ayona mange ningo yaletere asenchira iyo winge kulende nyora Chinsa mochiche mitandao asensema ya Facebook na bagotonyora wetra Ndizi TV News Digital na baga sensemeria YouTube na bagotonyora wetra Ndizi TV News asensema ya website na bagotonyora wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke magech kamera soko enekibuna ebicha na boigo eliogiria gwikira sole asenchira ya bene nere nyanchama Abigail tobe tokubatanere Joshua Auta asinsemo chibiorokelio na ncheria ne Fridah Kerubo ngukuganilia obuligerelia obuya.